everybody. Welcome to Music City Storytime. I hope that you're having a great day today. Well, today I want us to read a story titled Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. It's written by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean, who's creator of Pete the Cat. Let's get started. Oh, I wanted to share this with you. It says, to Trey and Destiny, always be honest. Give more than you take and follow your dreams. JD. And this one is to Zelda Litwin, my mother, whose creative spirit nurtured my imagination. I like that. I thought I would share it with you first. But let's get started with the story. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's just see. 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. So now he only has 3 buttons instead of 4. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Ooh, that's the ice cream truck. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button. And he kept on singing his song. Can you find your belly button? It's all good, Pete said. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Wow. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. So when something doesn't go your way, and stuff will come and stuff will go, don't cry. Just keep singing. Wow. Buttons come and buttons go. Cute story today. If you liked it, like and subscribe to my channel and share it if you want to. And always remember, you are special. Until next time.